Hi, Janny. I'm making this video for one final check for my new phone. I pulled out this cabinet, where I have everything. I straightened all the wires out. Now I'm going to try to push it back and see if everything works, all right? Let me get up and do that now. Okay. Now we're up front now. I'm going to try to push it back. Remember the weight on the bottom. So far, so good. If it collapses, at least I have it on camera. So far, it's a little shaky. Looks like I got it back. See that? It looks good down there. Everything's still... Okay, one more test. I'm going to play this record that Marie sang over 40 years ago. I'm going to try it now. See how it sounds.
On this earth you live and love, and sometimes even need a shove. But if you learn to swallow your pride, you'll be able to live with your neighbors side by side. Because there's a heaven in the sky above, and there's much more to life than just love. No matter how much you earn, there's always plenty to learn. As the days and nights go by, we never question why. Because we know there's a heaven in the sky above. People have likes and people have hates, but what really matters is how you live your life before you enter the pearly gates. They say that the earth is round, but it doesn't mean to this earth you're bound. No matter who you are, and every time you look at a star, you'll know. You know that there's a heaven in the sky above, and there's much more to life than just love. In these days of fast-paced living, there doesn't seem much time for giving. If you do care, you will want to share. Springtime brings the flowers and birds sing their song, and then you know that you belong to the heaven in the sky above. There's much more to life than just love.
Yeah, I played that because I got a couple comments, when I played only a small portion of it before, so I decided to play the whole song. I hope you enjoyed it. That was my wife singing to me from 40 years ago. And I guess she's in heaven, and she's singing it to me now. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. See you later, Johnny.